I'm Lieutenant Matt Stricker with the Professional Development Bureau. I'm a state trooper with the state of Iowa, and I'm in charge of our basic academy, which includes the hiring process and all training for the Department of Public Safety. The benefits of being an exhibitor at Build My Future are just the amount of kids that come there. For us, it's a no-brainer. The structure that Build My Future has and all the logistics they already have in place, and we just get to show up and interact with the kids and show them what we do, talk a little bit about us. It's very enjoyable for us to have the kids come up and get to know us, see where they're from. They have stories or they know people in law enforcement. So it's just a great community building, and then it allows us, as recruiting is getting harder and harder, to get around the amount of kids at one spot is just a great tool and asset for us. Yeah, we're gonna have a lot of interactive activities. We're gonna have a ton of first responder vehicles out there, from the fire department, EMS, to law enforcement. And I think that again falls back to people may not realize all the things we have, such as planes, drones, and the technology that we're utilizing. So you'll be able to come there and just see what we're all about, what first responders do, and meet some of the people that work here. I think you'll learn that we're just like anybody else. We're out there, we have families, we care about the community, and we care about keeping everybody safe. A trooper's job is not just, most people think they're out there enforcing traffic laws, but we have many different things that you can do: pilot, K9, vehicle theft. Just the opportunities are unlimited, and getting to know people in your community. We have people that work in the schools, teach driver's ed portions of that. So just the opportunities you have are endless, and I don't think a lot of people know about those. Most agencies don't hire at 18. There's a few out there, but we actually do start hiring at 18. You have to go up to the Capitol and work at our post-16 post here in Des Moines to do that. But it's a very good opportunity to learn the patrol before you turn 22 and you can go out to the road. Retirement at age 55, 32 years of service. If you come in at 18, you could technically probably do 2 careers, and you'd have your pension. So, all right, we look forward to seeing everybody at Build My Future. Come see us. We'll be located near the Hall of Law, and we'll look forward to seeing you there.